At the Horsepower Factory, not only do we offer you premium performance packages, but we also offer diagnosis, repairs, and a meticulous 75-point service for all manner of performance vehicle. Now, one such vehicle that we had in recently was a 2016 VF Holden Calais, which had previously had a Walkinshaw W375 package fitted to it by us. The customer was concerned about a noise that was emanating from the engine that they weren't sure about, so they got us to have a look. Now, have a listen and let us know what you think it is in the comments down below. If you guessed broken timing chain dampener, then you'd be 100% correct. This style of dampener found on later LS engines such as this LS3 are notoriously known to fail on a regular basis, leaving plastic shards to run throughout the engine. To make sure we thoroughly clean out all the pieces of the broken tensioner, we will first remove the sump. As you can see here, the pickup filter has managed to stop a lot of the broken parts from entering the engine. This too will need to be cleaned thoroughly, and these parts will now go into our hot wash machine for a deep degreasing procedure. Here you can see how much broken material was sitting in the sump. We now remove the oil pump and the original timing chain, which has seen better days, along with any remnants left of the old tensioner. This will be upgraded with a new high quality performance item. Here you can see the damaged item on the left with what it should look like on the right. Because this style of tensioner has proved to be problematic, we revert to a genuine AC Delco LS2 dog bone dampener. These have proven to be indestructible even in high horsepower applications. In goes a brand new Cloy's Z-chain timing chain. These are the same as used in the C5R Endurance Racing Corvette, offering 33% more strength than a standard premium chain, along with the new dampener. With all the parts now out of the hot wash and thoroughly rinsed off and dried, it's time to refit the oil pickup, which is now clear of any debris. A genuine GM sump gasket is then siliconed at strategic areas to avoid future leaks, and then, as per factory, riveted into place. Sump back on, new filter and some fresh Castrol Edge fully synthetic oil, and we're good to go for many more stress-free kilometres. So job's done, car's back together and running beautifully, and the customer goes away happy with a fully itemised invoice with no hidden surprises. With over 45 years of experience in servicing and performance on a vast array of makes and models, HPF is your #1 choice to look after your performance car. Call us on 1800-GO-FAST or visit our website at www.hp-f.com.au.